Okay, I'm gonna show you a step-by-step tutorial to how to draw a face. Okay, so first, just draw a circle, like an oval thing. Step 2, draw a line here. Step 3, draw a line here. Step 133, draw a line here. Step 1341, draw a line here. Okay, now you're gonna erase this part and this, like that. Okay, now do this. Some fabulous hair and some lipstick and a neck, and this part is sadly censored. Now you drew your now you drew your face. Thank you for watching this tutorial.